so screamy. You're so funny. All right, this will not be a cursing or screaming moment. It's an oh wow moment. I'm doing what I forgot to do last time. So we're gonna do slits in the top like this, okay? And I think we're gonna put E for either Emma or Easter, depending on what your name is. Of course, if I could actually cut an E, it would be useful.
I think that's plenty deep. She just slit the very top.
Okay, you try slitting this. Now I have to go in the oven, honey. So I'm now about to open the oven and get the crock out. And I put it over here. And I'm gonna put my lovely bread into the oven, like so. And I'm going to put the ta-da on top. And we're going to close the oven and time 20 minutes. Okay, halfway through, we're going to take off the top. And there, whoa, is our loaf. And it goes back in for another 20 minutes, but on temperature 450, which is something I forget to do. So this loaf number 5, I've done 2 things I have been forgetting. I've made slits on the top of the loaf, and I've put the temperature down on the oven at 450 halfway through. So we're keeping our fingers crossed, plus I'm using some very high quality bread flour. Okay. All right, here is loaf number 5 coming out of the oven. Looks good, and my goodness, it smells good. All right, so here we go. I'm going to put it on the counter. Whoa! Don't want to lose it on the floor. And now we are going to transfer it to our